Hello friends, welcome to GK Rapid Brain YouTube channel. Today in this video I have brought general question and answer on Chandrayaan which will be asked in all exams. Let's start. First question, what is the launch date for Chandrayaan 3 mission? Options: A 24 July 2023, B 14 July 2023, C 13 July 2023, D 4 July 2023. Right answer 14 July 2023. Chandrayaan 3 is a third lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO to be launched on 14 July 2023. Second question, the Chandrayaan 3 mission rover is known as options: A Vikram, B Bheem, C Pragyan, D Dhruv. Right answer C Pragyan. According to the ISRO chairman, the names Vikram for the lander and Pragyan for the rover will be carried over honor the Chandrayaan 2 mission. Third question, the mission life of the lander and rover equal to options: A 14 Earth days, B 24 Earth days, C 16 Earth days, D 12 Earth days. Right answer A 14 Earth days. The mission life of the lander according to the ISRO authorities is 1 lunar day, which is equivalent to 14 days on Earth. Fourth question, who is the project director of LVM-3M4 design of Chandrayaan 3? Options: A P Veer Muthuvel, B G Madhavan Nair, C Mayasamy Annadurai, D S Mohanna Kumar. Right answer A P Veeramuthuvel. Chandrayaan 3 project director P Veeramuthuvel took change as Chandrayaan 3 project director in 2019 before his current assignment. He served as a deputy director in a space infrastructure program office at the ISRO headquarters. Known for his technical acumen, Veeramuthuvel played a key role in a Chandrayaan 2 mission as well, being the point person for its negotiation with National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA), a native of Villupuram in Tamil Nadu. Veeramuthuvel is an alumni of Indian Institute of Technology in Madras (IITM). Fifth question, which launcher is used for Chandrayaan 3? Options: A GSLV, B LVSM, C GSLV Mk3, D PSLV. Right answer C GSLV Mk3. The chosen launcher for Chandrayaan 3 is GSLV Mk3, which will position the integrated module in an elliptic parking orbit (EPO) measuring approximately 170 into 36,500 km in size. Sixth question, who served as projector director of Chandrayaan 1, 2 and Mangalyaan? Options: A Mayaswamy Annadurai, B Kailash Vadivu Sivan, C Vikram Sarabhai, D A.S. Kiran Kumar. Right answer A Mayaswamy Annadurai. Seventh question, the mission objectives of Chandrayaan 3. Options: A to demonstrate rover roving on the moon, B to demonstrate a safe and soft landing on lunar surface, C to conduct in situ scientific experiments, D all of the above. Right answer D all of the above. ISRO has set 3 main objectives for the Chandrayaan 3 mission, which include: first, getting a lander safe and soft landing on the surface of the moon; second, observing and demonstrating the rover loitering capabilities on the moon; third, inside scientific observation, make scientific experiments on the chemical and natural elements, soil, water, etc. available on the surface of the moon to better understand and practice the consumption available on the surface of the moon to better understand and practice the composition of the moon. Interplanetary refers to the development and demonstration of new technologies required for mission between two planets. Eighth question, who is 2023 ISRO chairman? Options: A S Somnath, B Kailash Vadivu Sivan, C G Madhavan Nair, D Professor Satish Dhawan. Right answer A S Somnath. as Somnath has appointed as the 11th chairperson of the ISRO by the Appointment Committee of the Cabinet ACC. Somnath also served as the director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and Liquid Propulsion Systems Center. He is also known for his contribution to launch vehicle design, particularly in the areas of launch vehicle system. Ninth question. How much did the Chandrayaan-3 mission cost? Options A 1200 crores, B 960 crores, C 615 crores, D 540 crores. Right answer C 615 crores. Chandrayaan-3 mission cost lesser than the Chandrayaan-2 mission, which was more than 960 crore. 10th question. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan-3? Options A 4100 kilograms, B 3900 kilograms, C 2190 kilograms, D 5200 kilograms. Right answer B 3900 kilograms. The propulsion module alone weighs 2148 kilograms and the lander and the rover are both in the lander module, which weighed 1752 kilograms. 11th question. What is that one thing in Chandrayaan-3 and not in Chandrayaan-2? Options A laser Doppler velocimeter LDV, B laser based interferometer, C ultrasonic Doppler methods, D molecular dangling velocimetry. Right answer A laser Doppler velocimeter LDV. The lander for Chandrayaan-3 will have only 4 throttle-able engines equipped with a laser Doppler velocimeter LDV. 12th question. Which of the following is mission in Chandrayaan-3? Options A rover, B lander, C orbiter, D none of the above. Right answer C orbiter. According to the ISRO, Chandrayaan-2 was fitted with the lander Vikram and orbiter and rover Pragyan, whereas Chandrayaan-3 will carry only a rover and a lander. Also, the orbiter that was included with Chandrayaan-2 will also the orbiter that was launched with Chandrayaan-2 will still be in use. 13th question. What will be the design of the propulsion module? Options A box-like structure with a solar panel on the side with a cylinder on top, B rectangular structure with solar panel on all sides, C cube with a sphere on top, D none of the above. Right answer A box-like structure with a solar panel on the side with a cylinder on top. The propulsion module is a box-like structure with a huge solar panel on one side and a massive cylinder on top. The cylinder, known as intermodule adapter, will serve as the lander mounting framework. 14th question. Who is the director of the Chandrayaan-3 mission? Options A Veera Muthuvel, B M Vanitha, C Ritu Karidhal, D K Sivan. Right answer C. Ritu Karidhal. Ritu Karidhal is a prominent scientist at the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. She will be leading the launch of Chandrayaan-3 this year. 15th question. Where will Chandrayaan-3 land on the moon? Options A near the South Pole, B near the North Pole, C in the equatorial region, D none of the above. Right answer A near the South Pole. The objective of this mission is to explore the South Pole of the moon. This is because the South Pole of the moon is rich in water ice, which is a valuable resource for future lunar exploration. The South Pole is also less explored than the North Pole, so there is a lot of scientific potential in landing there. 16th question. What are the challenges that ISRO will face in the Chandrayaan-3 mission? Options A. The lunar surface is very harsh and the lander and rover will need to be able to withstand extreme conditions. B. The landing site is near the south pole of the moon, which is a very remote and unexplored region. C. The lander and rover will need to be able to communicate with Earth, but the moon atmosphere is very thin, which will make communication difficult. D. All of the above. Right answer D. All of the above. The Chandrayaan 3 mission will face a number of challenges including the harsh lunar surface, the remote landing site and the difficult communication conditions. 17 question. Which country is the fourth country to successfully land a spacecraft on the moon? Options: A. China, B. India, C. Russia, D. USA. The right answer: B. India. The first three countries to successfully land a spacecraft on the moon were the United States, Russia and China. India became the fourth country to do so on September 7, 2019 when the Chandrayaan 2 lander Vikram successfully touched down on the lunar surface. 18 question. What are the scientific instruments that will be carried by the lander and rover in Chandrayaan 3? Options: A. Surface science instruments, B. Atmospheric science instruments, C. Water science instruments, D. All of the above. Right answer: D. All of the above. The Chandrayaan 3 mission will carry a variety of scientific instruments to study the moon. These instruments will be carried by the lander and rover and they will study the composition and structure of the lunar surface, the composition and dynamics of the lunar atmosphere and the search for water ice on the moon. 19 question. What is the launch date for Chandrayaan 1 mission? Options: A. 22 October 2008, B. 15 August 2010, C. 25 June 2005, D. 17 January 2009. Right answer: A. 22 October 2008. On October 22, 2008, an Indian PSLV rocket launched the Chandrayaan 1 spacecraft into the Earth orbit. After a series of orbit-raising maneuvers, Chandrayaan 1 successfully entered orbit around the moon on November 8 of that year. 20 question. What is the launch date for Chandrayaan 2 mission? Options: A. 15 August 2021, B. 22 July 2019, C. 18 January 2010, D. 30 March 2017. Right answer: B. 22 July 2019. In 22 July 2019, Chandrayaan 2 mission successfully deployed an orbiter but lost contact with its lander and crash landed near where Chandrayaan 3 will attempt a touchdown. Thank you friends for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you want to ask anything, please comment with me. Jai Hind.